friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll be giving the top 5 important tips how you can actually save the battery life in the Realme X2 Pro device. So try to watch this complete video. In the middle, I'll be giving you the bonus tip as well, how you can actually save more battery in the Realme X2 Pro device. So the reason why I'm doing this video, because after the Realme UI update, a lot of users, they do face this kind of problem. There's a lot of battery getting drained in the Realme X2 Pro, even in the standby mode time. So that's why I decided to do this kind of videos now and then regularly after each and every update. So with every update, there's a new feature getting installed in the Realme X2 Pro device, which makes the phone very good, and they're really trying to give this kind of features to save a lot of battery optimization. So after the Realme UI, definitely I do agree the battery life decreased little bit, but after using this kind of options, definitely you can extend your phone to use for complete day or even next day as well in the Realme X2 Pro device. And in case if you're wondering what wallpaper I'm using, try to check the links in description for the wallpapers what I'm using. So the first is that, as we all know, we do have the power saving mode. In case if you're running low, you can just enable this one. So this is a one trick you can use. And next is a super power saving mode. So this is another good option which got enabled in the Realme X2 Pro device, which will be useful, very good if you're under the 10% or close to 5%. If you are in this kind of mode, you can easily survive for the next 4 or 5 hours or even one day as well, depending on the battery. So this is another most favorite feature, this super power saving mode. So this is a mode which I like. Even in the MIUI 12 in the Redmi K20 Pro, there is this kind of same kind of option which is called, I think, ultra power saving mode. So ultra power saving mode, so same kind of, they implemented here power saving mode and super power saving mode. They named differently. So 1 and 2 options, and third is the power saving options. So try to enable this option, sleep standby optimization. So the phone runs on low power saving mode when you are asleep, as you can see. So this also will be giving you the good option. So you got here 3 important options where you can select. And the fourth is that no performance improvement. So if you want to save a lot of battery and extend the battery life, try to use this kind of option, no performance improvement. So here we got the 4 options, and the bonus point is that try to use the dark mode if you want to extend the battery. With the dark mode, not only dark mode, other option which is hidden, this is the bonus tip for this complete video, which is called the using the black and white mode. So actually there is a black and white mode which you can use in the Realme X2 Pro device. So if you did not try, make sure to try that option. So once you enable this eye comfort mode, you do get this kind of 2 options. One is color and one is black and white. So depending on which type of black and white, you can choose your color or black and white. So usually try to prefer the black and white mode, so where all the application will be opening in the black and white mode. Doesn't matter which application it is, Google Chrome or YouTube or any application, everything will be open in the black and white. So by using this kind of mode, you can actually save little bit more battery life. So this is the bonus point for this complete video. So using the black and white mode. So next is a final tip which is present in the Realme Lab. So as you can see here, so in the Realme Lab, which is called the super nighttime standby mode. So this is a very good important option which you can actually enable whenever you fall asleep. The phone sensors and network, everything will consume less power, and background activities also will decrease. So if you get a call, you will receive the call. If you get normal text messages, you will receive the text messages. But there may be delay in terms of the WhatsApp or Gmail or Facebook, other applications, third-party application. So since the network is completely down little bit, so you might be receiving the messages little bit later on. So these are the top 5 tips I can actually give for the Realme X2 Pro users, where you can actually increase the battery life and extend further of the Realme X2 Pro usage. So usually most of the time, except this super power saving mode, so remaining I will keep enabled every time whenever I require the most of the mobile phone, so Realme X2 Pro device. So no need to worry about the battery life, because it can actually charge within 30 minutes. So that is also another advantage for the Realme X2 Pro device. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.